I was doing an Islamic will, and I wanted to know parents are titled. Parents are entitled to 1/6 from the wealth of the daughter. Does this change after you are married? I was told that it's only before marriage. Would you be able to help clarify this for me? I don't really understand the question, because if you're doing, all you have to do is with regards to Islamic will, people get things wrong. You have the wasiyah and you have the will. The wasiyah and the will are two different things. The wasiyah is what you give before you die. Is what you can give before you die. Okay? And Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas said to the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, "Usi bimali kullihi." Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said no. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Sa'd ibn Waqqas said to the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, "Should I give all my wealth away as a wasiyah?" The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said no. He said, "Usi bimalihi kullihi." قال لا. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said no. قال بالشطر. He said, "Should I give a half away?" The Prophet ﷺ said, "Don't give half of your wealth away as a what do you call it? As a will, okay? I mean, as a will." He said, "قال بالشطر." قال لا. He said, "Don't give it half will." He said, "قال بالثلث." He said, "Should I give a third away?" The Prophet ﷺ said, "الثلث والثلث كثير." He said, "Give away a third, and a third is a lot." A wasiyah is what you give before you die. It's not all of your wealth. Once you die, your wealth, this is known as, this is where fara'id comes in. This is when your wealth is given away, and you have no control over who has your wealth. So if you have a son, he gets a particular amount. If you have a daughter, she gets a particular amount. As for a sudus, a sixth, I'm doing this Islamic will. I wanted to know, parents are entitled for a sixth from the wealth of the daughter. Does this change after you are married? The sixth is is a parent entitled to a sixth. A parent is entitled to a thuluth, okay? And this does not change whether or not a girl is married. It doesn't change. It doesn't change as far as I know. Once you are entitled for a sixth, you are entitled for a sixth, okay? If you're a grandparent, you might not get that particular sixth. Maybe the person, because they have the issue of hajab. But this issue, as for doing an Islamic will, then I'll say that you need to visit a specialist. I'm not a specialist on Islamic will.